Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get a shaken effect on your video without have a shaken record on your phone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the CapCut application. Okay, and now let's choose one project that we can choose here. I already have one, and this is just photo, so there is no motion on it. So and then let's go to make it this photo have a shaken effect by click the clip until it is in active mode, and then please go into the style. Okay, and after that you can choose a trending. In the trending there will be a camera shaken, but if you want to looking for another, just go directly into a motions, yeah, into the motion, and then there will be a camera shake. Just click it and wait until the motion is applied into our video. Okay, and now the video is already have a shaken effects on it. So that's all how the way you make your video shaken without having like your phone being shake or something like that. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.